been 16 years and he doesn't have a plan yet. It's been 16 years. There's no sewer fund. River Forest has a sewer fund. And you talk about doing a sewer study. Yeah, we all voted for it because there's nothing else we're doing. But we don't share data with Oak Park and River Forest who already have these studies done. They have very similar systems. It's Christopher Burke is doing those studies as well. We could save money by sharing that data. So 16 years later, still no sewer fund, still no plan, and of course it's after the election. We don't need election season promises. We need actual action. I plan on taking action immediately.